Okay, now the last part, part D, on page 109 of your workbook 2A. Okay, task 6.2. Okay, part D. In the diagram below, AB is 6 cm long. Okay, AB is 6 cm long. Okay, I'm not going to take their word for it. I'm going to measure. Really, 6 cm. AB is 6 cm. Yes, it is. Okay. Now, using the compasses. Okay, using the compasses. Draw an arc. Again, draw an arc 4 cm from A. 4 cm from A. So we're going to use the ruler and measure 4 cm. Okay. So now put here 0, the needle at 0, pencil tip is at 4, and we're going to draw this arc from A. So don't move your pencil. Okay. So put the needle down firmly first. Don't make a hole in your exam paper. Okay. So now draw the arc 4 cm. So anywhere along this arc is 4 cm away. This is 4 cm away from A, 4 cm away from A, 4 cm away from A, 4 cm away from A. Okay, and all the way. Okay, so that's your first arc. Done. Part 1 done. Using the compasses, draw an arc 4 cm from A. Done. Part 2. Next, use the compasses to draw an arc 5 cm from B. Okay. Let's do it again. This time it's 5 cm. 0. Needle at 0. This time it's 5 cm. So stretch. Okay. So now 5 cm. Okay. Already done 5 cm. Now we're going to draw from B this time. From B. Just put the needle at B. Okay. And now draw the arc. As long as you can get the intersection point, okay, then it's fine. Okay, I have drawn a double arc, which is wrong. So don't disturb the first arc. It was perfect. Second arc, not so perfect. So I'm going to redraw. Okay, guys. So cannot be lazy, okay? Can make mistakes, no problem. But don't be lazy. Redo. Okay, redo. Alright, so 0 to 5. This time I'm going to draw lightly. Okay, alamak, I moved my pencil, so cannot have to remeasure. Perfecto, come on. Okay, I dare not touch the pencil, so I'm gonna use like this. Just draw to cut the first arc. Alright, okay. So now I've already cut the first arc, because that's all I need actually for it to cut the first arc. Okay, so now let's read. Next, use the compasses to draw an arc 5 cm away from B. So I've already drawn the arc. Done. Next part. Label the point where the two arcs intersect. Okay, and call it C. So label the point where two arcs intersect. So this is the point. Okay, I'm going to use a cross to mark that point, and we are going to call it C. Okay. So let's see. Label the point where the two arcs intersect. Call it C. Done. Okay. Next one. Draw the lines AC and BC so that ABC forms a triangle. Okay. AC. Okay. Center. AC. And BC. Okay, check. Draw the lines AC and BC so that ABC forms a triangle. Done. Okay, next. Measure the angles A, B, and C, correcting your answers to the nearest degree. Okay, so measure angles. I will need my protractor over here. So angles A, angles B, and angles A, B, and C. So angle A first. Okay, let's go. Put the center of your center of your protractor at A. Okay, like this. And measure. Make sure your line AB coincides with your zero line on your protractor. Okay, so there you go. So it looks like it is in the middle between 50 and 160. Don't use the 120 and 130, guys. You can see that this is an acute angle. What do I mean by acute angle? Less than 90. Right, not? Okay. So if it's less than 90, how can it be 100? Cannot be 100 plus. So it must be the black numbers. Okay. So I'm going to measure again properly because we want to strive for excellence and perfection. Okay. We cannot be perfect, but the things that we do, we can make it as perfect as possible. Okay, guys? Okay. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. But it's before 60 that it ended. So I'm going to see where exactly is this. It's hard to see if I don't extend my line. So I'm going to extend this line a little bit. Okay. Extend just slightly so that I can get it. So that's what you can do too, guys. When, let's say, I can't read properly because the line is too short. So I'm going to extend it. Okay, extend so that I can reach on the outside of the, over here, the scale, the outer scale. So again, okay, there you go. Now I can see better. Okay, so if 50 coincide with 130, so I'm going to put 50 here, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, and for me it is 56, guys. Okay, before 60. 60 is coinciding with your 120 degree. Okay, so now I'm going to see again. Yes, I think it's, for me it's 56. Okay, 56. So I'm going to label it over here, 56 degree. Okay, now I'm going to measure B. Again, B, then put the center of your protractor at B, and the 0 line, which is here. Okay, we're on the line AB. So center at B. Okay, as accurately as possible. Okay, now we're going to measure again. The line is too short, so I'm going to extend this line BC. I'm going to extend it so that I can measure the angle. Okay, alright, so now I should be able to measure the angle. And mine is, it's exactly 40 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to write down here 40 degrees. Okay, next, now here, how do we measure this angle? Okay, center, we can use either the line AC or the line BC. So I'm going to use BC. Okay, oh, I think I'll use AC instead, because BC, then, you know, if I extend it, if I were to extend it, it will be over here, then can't see if I were to extend. Whereas BC, I think I can extend, and then it will extend over here. There's space here, got text, cannot see. So if I extend it, I can extend over here better, extend the line over here so that I can see. So I'm going to extend this part. Okay, because the triangle is too small, so I will extend the line BC. Okay, extend it. Okay, not so accurate. Let me just extend it a little bit properly. Okay, now I've extended the line that I can measure easily. Okay, so now I'm going to put center at C, right? Center of your protractor will be at C, and then the line AC is my 0 line. So measure properly, put the center at C, exactly at C, and now let's see how much is it. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Still haven't reached. So it's about 84. Okay, it's less than 90. It's about 84, guys, for me. This is 80 coincide with my 100. You notice that 80 plus 100 is 180. You will notice that all the scales, right, if you add up the two scales, 50 plus 138, 180. 60 plus 120 is 180. Okay, so 80 plus 100. So we look at the 100 one. Okay, we count from the 100. That's 80, 81, 82, 83, and 84. So mine is in between 83 and 84. Which one do I choose, guys? in between 83 and 84. Because we want it to be correcting your answers to the nearest degree. So it's about 83.5. So 83.5 when you round up, okay, it's in between, right? 83.5 and you round up, it becomes 84. Okay, so now that we've got all the three angles, you check. Because the total angles here must add up. Total angles in a triangle is what, guys, we learn. Total angles in a triangle must add up. Sum of angles in a triangle must add up to 180, right? So we see 56 plus 84. Okay, 56 plus 84 is 140. 140 plus 40, 180. Yes, correct. Okay, so now that they want a triangle, right? So this one doesn't look like triangle anymore. So we are going to erase all the lines that we extended earlier. Okay, be careful not to erase your main drawing. Okay. Okay, don't erase your arcs, guys, because those are evidence of your hard work. So the examiner will want to see all your arcs. So don't erase. Okay, whatever extension that I made just now to measure angle, I erase a little bit. So don't draw it so dark. Just lightly will do, because that's just for your own use. Okay. Alright, so now let's write down the answers over here. We have A is 56 degrees, B is 40 degrees, and C is 84 degrees. And voila, we are done. Okay, so what I need you to do right now is to snap photos of page 108 that you have done earlier, part A and part B, and now snap a photo of page 109, part C and part D. Okay, put them in one PDF, 2 pages in one PDF file, and you submit in the Google Classroom. Okay? Alright, thank you everybody. Okay, love you all. Take care. See you soon, okay?